Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry to bother you. So my name is Jubin. So I go up to people, take their photos, and put them on my Instagram as a reel. Just wondering if I can get your picture by any chance.
Sure.
Thank you. If you can stand this side for me, please. The light is coming my way.
Did you smile?
Yeah, you can smile. There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
What's your Instagram so we can find them?
It is I am Wonder Node. I'll show you that. So that is my page.
I'll take a picture of it. Hold on.
Sure. You can.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Thank you. Excuse me, guys. So my name is Jubin. So I randomly go up to people and take their photos and put them on my social media. Just wondering if I can get your picture by any chance.
Sure.
Thank you. You can stand there and just look at me. Do you want me to hold your bag? Thank you. The first this morning told me to come. There you go.
That's so nice.
Thank you so much for your time.
What's your social media?
Instagram. I am Wonder Nord.
Oh, some of these are cute.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
Nice
you.
meeting you.
Yeah,
Bye
nice
bye.
meeting you too.
Excuse me, guys. So my name is Jubin. So I randomly go up to people, take their photos, and post them on my social media. Just wondering if we can get a picture by any chance. Can I show you what I do?
Do you want to? I don't, but you can if you want. I'll hold your coffee.
I'll be fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
How do you want me?
If you can stand here for me, please.
Want
Yeah.
to take the bag or are you good?
No, I'm good. It's fine.
Oh, yeah.
I get it.
What's your name?
Where is it?
Nice to meet you, Rosa.
So you say?
I'm Jubin.
Did you say sorry?
Jubin.
Jubin.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cute.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for your time.
Have a good day.
You as well.